into the bedroom. We've got our dresser with our TV, nice big TV. And then we've got our king size bed. And then we've got mini fridge down here below the TV. Nice little table here. You could do your work, or you could even use this to eat off of. Wouldn't be too bad. And then we've got a nice big king bed. Another full-length mirror here for getting ready. Got lamps on both sides. We've got, looks like USBs and regular power. And then got a nice couch here in the corner. And I'm assuming, yep, so that's gonna be a pull-out couch. Let's check out the view. So we are currently on the 10th floor of the Dolphin. So you can see the swan off there in the distance. Alright, went ahead and switched up the lens to get you a little bit better picture of the view. We're actually even with the roof here on the Dolphin. You can see the new Marriott Tower that they're working on currently. A little bit of Galaxy's Edge peeking up over there. So we're looking at straight across from us. We got the swan over there. And then down here we got boardwalk. Kind of an interesting view up here. Gonna do a quick pan around the room just to give you one last look from another angle. It's a pretty spacious room. Alright, so just do one more quick lap around here. Let's see, we've got some lotion here. Got a conditioner and shampoo. And we got some soap. And then do have a hair dryer to go with our extra towels. Some cool art in here. And then nice big shower. Really nice looking. Nice tile work behind the mirror in here. All right, that's gonna do it.